Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Forms while signed into the correct Google account. This ensures ownership and sharing control. Create a blank form or pick a template so you have a structure to edit. Once done, give the form a clear title and add at least one question. This makes the form valid. Make sure to set required questions if needed and check form settings briefly. These first steps prepare the form for link creation and proper access. Now adjust the form settings to control who can respond and how responses are collected. For example, toggle collect email addresses or restrict to your organization. Save those settings so they apply to every respondent. Next, click Send, then select the link icon to reveal the form URL. Shorten the link if you want a cleaner address. However, shortening is optional. These middle steps ensure the generated link. Copy the URL shown after clicking the link icon. That is the direct Google form link you distribute. Once copied, test it in an incognito window or with a different account to confirm permissions and appearance. If the form won't open for others, go back to Settings and adjust response restrictions or uncheck Restrict to users in your organization. Also verify the owner's account is active. These final steps complete link generation and provide one clear troubleshooting tip to resolve access errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.